Wow, look at the state of this. This is not a lake, this is one of Dorset's busiest junctions right now. We are above the A35 at the Baker's Arms roundabout near Poole. Storm Chandra has absolutely battered the region and the roads are completely underwater. The Baker's Arms pub itself is closed due to flooding. You can see drivers taking massive risks trying to get through this. Plenty of abandoned cars all around that roundabout. It's just chaos. There are 45 flood warnings across Dorset today. If you don't have to travel, don't. Stay safe out there, everyone.